Asia was the first continent that early humans explored on their trek out of Africa. In the journey of humankind, it is the lands in the proximity of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka, located 50 kilometers off the southeastern edge of the Indian subcontinent, that have produced some of the earliest evidence for modern human presence in southern Asia. Sri Lanka's people resemble a kaleidoscope of biological and cultural diversity that developed through millennia. Following early hunter-gatherer expansions over 50,000 years ago, through agricultural population settlements from around 18,000 years ago to historic settlements and urbanization over 2,500 years ago, and colonial encounters in the last 500 years, the Sri Lankan landmass has been settled by diverse groups. From the late Pleistocene onwards, humans inhabited a number of diverse environments as they dispersed beyond Africa. It is hypothesized that the South Asian landmass, especially its coastal regions, was accessed frequently by early modern humans. A more southerly migration path out of Africa along Africa's eastern horn into coastal Arabia and towards South Asia has been established using archaeological and genetic evidence. Sri Lanka is home to the earliest fossil evidence for Homo sapiens in South Asia. Several rainforest wet zone caves in Sri Lanka, including Fa Hinlena, Batadombalena, and Belilena, have yielded archaeological and biological evidence of early modern human habitation in the late Pleistocene. These anatomically modern prehistoric humans, popularly termed Balangoda man, are best known from the remains of over 30 individuals from Balan Bandi Palasa, over 12 from Belilena, over 24 from Batadombalena, and over 9 from Fa Hinlena, dating back to 38,000 BC. Sri Lanka became an island separate from the mainland of Indian subcontinent some 7,000 years ago in the early Holocene, when a connecting land bridge was submerged by rising sea levels. Sri Lanka was colonized by hominids from the subcontinent of India during the Pleistocene. According to some scholars, the Sri Lankan Iron Age culture closely resembles the South Indian Iron Age. The ancient chronicle Mahavamsa and the writings of the Chinese traveler Fa Hin describe indigenous inhabitants of Lanka as spirits, yakkas, and nagas. It has been postulated that the Naga ethnic group mentioned in the ancient chronicles were the protohistoric Iron Age humans in Sri Lanka. Among the earliest inhabitants of Sri Lanka, the Vedas descend from a direct line of Sri Lanka's Neolithic community, predating the arrival of the legendary Sinhala prince Vijaya from northern India. Ethnically, the Veda people are related to indigenous peoples from southern India and Southeast Asia. Their lineage dates back 18,000 years ago. Vedas primarily live in north-central Sri Lanka, the east coast, and the eastern part of the central mountains. The coastal Vedas are immensely proud when speaking of their relationship with Kathirgama god. Kathirgama is the pilgrimage site at which the Tamil god Murugan met and married a tribal girl, Valli, who in Sri Lanka is believed to have been a Veda. Vedas share biological and cultural connections with the Sinhala and Tamil ethnic groups of Sri Lanka. Based on the excavations carried out at the citadel at Anuradhapura, protohistory in Sri Lanka begins at 900 BC. Present inhabitants of Sri Lanka are representatives of the earliest people of South Asia and later arrivals during historic times, forming a multi-ethnic and multicultural society.